Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Style with Shivi, and in today's video I'm going to create this super gorgeous makeup look, and would like to tell you that this look is inspired from Indian singer Himanshu Khurana's new song Distance, and I found her look so mesmerizing, so that's why I quickly decided to recreate it. So without any further ado, let's start the video and make sure you have subscribed my channel. Alright, so first of all we will start from our base makeup, and for base makeup today I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer for avoiding my dark circles, and you can use this over your pigmented areas as well because this gives a very good coverage over your acne spots. After applying concealer, now it's time to move ahead, and I will apply today for my base makeup color Diva liquid foundation. If I talk about this product consistency, this product quality, so I found this product a very good because it gives you very creamy effect, very texture. This is not a matte foundation, I must say, and if your skin is super dry, so you can definitely try this out. And this is easy to blend. It will give your skin a very light coverage so that you can easily choose this product for your day look as well. Now I'm blending my product from my face towards neck, and don't forget to apply your product, your foundation over your neck as well, because it will give your makeup a very natural look. And here I'm using Pond's talcum powder for making my makeup more sweat proof, or you can say for setting my makeup I'm applying this powder over my face, under my eye area, over my contouring points, or you can apply it over all your face. But if your skin is dry, so you can skip this product, but my skin is super oily, so that's why this is very crucial part for me. So here I'm using Pond's talcum powder, which is absolutely very good for every skin type. And for my brows today I'm going to fill it with the help of my angular brush by taking the dark brown color from my eyeshadow palette, because it gives my look a very natural touch. Now you can remove the excess powder over your face with the help of this puffy brush, or you can blend it accordingly. So let's get started the eye makeup. And for eye makeup today I'm going to take little bit of brown color, light brown you can say, and I will fill it over my crease line and then blend it. As I told you in the starting that I am recreating today's Himanshu Khurana's look, and for this look she has done a very less smoky eye from the outer corner of her eye. So following that I'm making a very thin line outside my waterline and try to blend it in her own way, so that I can achieve the Himanshi Khurana's desired look. So you can follow this step if you want to achieve this kind of makeup look. After completing the blending, now I will give my eye a little bit of red touch, and for today eyeshadow palette which I am going to use is Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession, and I will take a deep red color in my brush, a very little bit, and we don't need to fill it red color. You can add according to your wish, at what consistency, at what intensity of red color you want in your look. From the same Huda Beauty palette, I am taking the very beautiful sparkly shade from the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and will fill it like this. Now I am making a very thin line of my eyeshadow to give my eye a very clear and sharp look. I will not apply any kind of eyeshadow or any kind of eyeliner or kajal for this look, because her look is very intense. And today for highlighting my points, I'm using Swiss Beauty powder highlighter, and from the same palette I'm going to take dark deep highlighter powder and will apply it over my cheekbones as blush, because it will give my skin a very perfect tone. after blending it well. So guys, here comes my favorite part of my makeup, that is lipstick. And for lipstick today I'm going to use L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature lipstick, and trust me guys, these lipstick are just awesome. It make your makeup so mesmerizing, and especially this shade is very close to my heart. This is one of my favorite lip shade. And for today's look I want my look to be very bold, very hot red, but I don't have that shade exactly which is matching to Himanshu Khurana's look. So here I have decided to mix and match of two shades of two different brands. So firstly I am applying L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature lipstick, this shade, and then I will apply Huda Beauty dark deep red shade from the same tone. Like both lipstick are matte, so it will give my look a very finished look. So guys, your wait is over. Here's the complete look. I hope you are liking this. What you think about this look, don't forget to mention me in comment box below. And here is the Himanshu Khurana's inspired look. What do you think about this? Do mention me in comment box, share your views and reviews. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe. You can follow me on Insta. My handle is Style with Shivi. Till the next video, take care. See you later, and thank you for watching my channel. Keep loving, keep supporting. Bye bye.